In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Shopify color swatches for multiple products. Log into your Shopify admin. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the left sidebar and click Products. In your product list, click your first product to open the product details page. On the product page, scroll down until you find the category field. This is below the product images and description area. Click into the category field. If Shopify shows a suggested category, you can select that. If not, type the category name you want, then choose the matching option from the drop-down list. Select the most specific category that fits the product. After the category is selected, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. After saving, stay on the same product page and scroll back to the section below the category field. You'll now see a new section called Category Metafields. In that section, click the color metafield. Shopify will show available color entries you can attach to this product. Click one of the default entries to add it, and choose white. Then click another default color entry and select black. Next, add a custom color. Click Add New Entry. In the label field, type sky blue. As you enter that color name, leave a moment for the text to appear clearly in the field. After that, click the color swatch area for the new entry. You can either type the hex code if that field is available, or choose the shade using the color picker. Once the color itself is set, click Save to store this new color entry. Then click Save again on the product page to save the product with all three color values attached. At this point, the color metafield for this product should show white, black, and sky blue. Now you'll connect those color values to actual product variants. Scroll back up to the variants section on the same product page. In that section, click Add options like size or color. A new option selector will appear. Open the option dropdown and choose the color category Metafield. This option usually includes a link icon, which shows that it's connected to the category Metafield values you just added. Once you select it, the option values fill in automatically with white, black, and sky blue. Click Done, then click Save. Shopify now creates three variants for the product, one for each color, and those variants stay linked to the color Metafield values. Next, move to the theme settings so the variants display as swatches on the product page. In the left sidebar, click Online Store, then click Themes. On your active theme, click Customize. If your theme shows Edit Theme instead, use that to open the editor. Once the theme editor loads, go to the top center area and click the Page Selector dropdown. Choose Products, then Default Product. In the left panel, look for the Product Information section. Under that section, click the Variant Picker block. This opens the settings for how product options appear on the product page. Find the Swatch Mode setting. In that setting, choose the shape you want for the swatches. Select Circle if you want round color swatches, or select Square if you want square swatches. After choosing the shape, click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. The product page preview in the editor should now show color swatches instead of a plain text drop-down for the color option. Now preview this on the live storefront. In the left sidebar, click Online Store again. Then click View Your Store, or click the eye icon if that's what appears in your admin. This opens your storefront in a new tab. From there, navigate to the product page you just edited and confirm that the color swatches appear correctly on the page. Click through the swatches and make sure the selected variant updates when you choose a different color. Then repeat that same check on each product page where you want the color swatches to appear. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Once this is set up, both product pages will display clickable color swatches, either circles or squares depending on the setting you chose in the theme editor. Instead of a standard text dropdown, clicking a swatch changes the selected variant, and any additional product can use the same shared color entries by assigning the same category, selecting the colors in the category Metafield section, and connecting that color Metafield in the variant section.